Hi, all this Tony. So today we're going to learn simplified 3D. So this simplified. Okay. So I believe you all have learned how to model a part. So this one is when you want to build the the part before sent to our 3D printer. So this software you use to do the slicing. So so this simplified 3D that you can see. So normally what we will do, I will go with you the process. So what normally we do is you open the software and import your file. So normally your file will be in .stl format. Okay, you need to save in .stl format to let the software recognize or the software can only accept .stl file. Okay, so this is a USB card holder. So I will use this model to show you the or for the this demonstration. Okay, so every time you load, then it will show up. Okay, I won't explain how the control because it's quite difficult to do in screen recording mode. So you can play around with the mouse, so you can you can move it around, you can zoom in. So I think it's quite similar with SolidWorks interfaces. So right click, you can pan around all this kind of stuff. Okay, so what normally you need to do is you need to place your part. So I will suggest you place it in the middle. So what you can do is you can click center and arrange. But sometimes it depends on your design. Okay, for this design, if you place like this, it will be just nice. Yeah, they fulfill all the requirement for 3D printing. Okay, so if you don't like it to place like this, you also can move it around. You can place like this, or it is depend on your requirement. Okay, so for this case I'm going to place like this. So yeah, this one I just press center and arrange. So over there is all this function over here, so you can play around with it. I won't explain in detail, but I will just focus on the process before you send to our printer. So when you load the file, so the next thing what you need to do is you need to edit process. Okay, so sometimes okay, this is advanced mode process. So what you can see now, so sometimes you might see something like this only. So for those who just need a basics setting or basic part, you can just use normal process without the advanced mode, because you don't need to change much of the setting. So what we need to do is first you need to choose, okay, select profile. You need to choose the printer. Okay, that's for example I choose Ender 3. Okay, if you see this pop up, right, remember you see this pop, no, don't save them. Okay, click no every time you see this one. Please click no. Okay, unless it's your own profile and you want to save it. Okay, okay, so let's say you have do editing everything right in advance. You change some of the setting everything, then you want this profile to be yours because you might need to use it in the future. So you can save as new, then change the profile name to your profile. Okay, So for example, I save to this one for this testing purpose. Okay, the next one you can change the filament. So here normally we just use PLA. We don't have other filament because of the requirement or the environment. Yeah. So our lab is not suitable to use a toxin filament or film or unhealthy film produced filament, those kind of stuff. Okay, can. Then print quality we can go medium, high, or fast. Okay, but I would recommend medium because our machine all setting to medium mode. Okay, uh, okay. Then this one is the infill percentage. This one will be generate support. So for this part, I don't think you can see what the function of generate support. Okay, never mind. We go through first. So the next thing, if let's say the setting is done properly, you can do prepare to print. Okay, from here, right, you can preview the part how the how your printer actually build the part. Okay, yeah, you can play animation also. So they will show you how the printer print your part. Yeah, this how they print the brim first, then one layer of the part. Okay, so you can check and make sure everything working properly before you send to your 3D printer. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to explain the detail of the setting. Okay, just now I say generate support, right? Yeah. So some part you must use the this mode to generate support. So I will show you the example, okay, for support generation. So let's say I place my part like this. So it's not recommended for this part, but I just want to show you. Okay, for example, I show you this one. I just prepare to print. So you can you see the difference? Okay, yeah, this is bad thing to do. I don't print a part like this for this kind of design. So this is all the support. You must have those support, if not the part will collapse. Okay, so you see the yellow color is the bridge. So every time there is a bridge, you must have the support. Yeah, or you must know your design. Okay, you see this one? Yeah, without the support, this one will actually will collapse. So you cannot print something or you cannot put something on nothing because gravity force, yeah, you will just topple down. Yeah, like these two line. Right? Okay, for example, these two line without the support, they will just drop to the bottom side or to the other side. Okay, so I just remove the support. Want to show you without the support. Yeah, without generate support. What you can see. Can you print? Yes, you still can print. Okay, the, the printer or the software is not that smart. It is depend on your setting. Yeah. So what happen if you print like this? The machine still run though. Yeah, the machine still run, but your part will fail. Yeah. So it will collect, then it might fail. Then another thing, right, it might crash the machine. Yes. So don't do this. Okay? Okay? Yeah. So don't do this. Okay. Another one I need to show you is rough. Yeah, this one is depend on your requirement also. Yeah. So you see what's the difference when I activate rough? Yeah, this one. Yeah, this guy. Okay. They will generate a, a, a platform. Okay, using the same material, it will generate a platform, so your part can sit on it. Okay, so it's like more easy for you to remove from the build plate. Then they have better holding, yeah, position. Okay, so this one is really depend on your design or your part. So for our case, I don't see the point we use this one because we will use more material. Yeah. Okay. So this one is depend. Okay. The next one is the infill. Okay. Say I put 50%. Oh, I change back the. I change back the. Sorry. I change back the position or the placing for the part first. So when I do preparation, right, so I can see all this is those infill. Now I set it to 30%, okay, and to 50%. Yeah. So you can see it's quite thin. Yeah. So it depends on how much infill you need, like how strong your part you need to be or this kind of thing. So this one is up to you also to decide. Okay. So the standard one will be 30 or 20%, something like this. So if you see right, yeah, it's quite hollow. Yeah, it's quite hollow. Okay, yeah. Don't, okay, please don't use more than 80%. Yeah, because it will be over extrusion, so it might damage the machine as well. Because they try to squeeze in more material, but they are not allowed. The part are not allowed to absorb. So what we realize is our software and then the machine is not fully calibrate on infill. So maximum 80%. Don't use more than 80%. Okay? Okay? Yeah, you see it's quite damn. So sometimes it might over extrusion. So this one is considered sometimes some of those parts it become 100%. Yes. If you use 100%, then sometimes some of those parts become more than 100%. Then yeah, then the nozzle might jam because the machine will stop working. Okay, okay, don't use more than 50%. So this is the all standard setting. So now I will bring you to advanced setting. So what you can do in advanced setting is you can change all the detail parameter. So in advanced setting, you need to be careful of what you're doing. Okay, I go for important part first. So don't change the extrusion setting unless you change the nozzle or you have special task you want to do. So whatever you want to change in the advanced setting, please create your own profile to be safe. Yeah, I don't want anyone to mess up with the default setting, so it will screw up other people usage also. Okay, then I always need to load a new profile for other people to use. Okay, so advanced mode and advanced. Okay, on this side, don't change anything. Okay, they has other also. Don't change if you don't know what I'm doing. Okay, speed. No, don't change. We are almost at the top speed already, but if you go more than that, right, then you will have a distortion. The nozzle move too fast, all this kind of stuff. Yeah, this one right, don't change anything if you don't know what you're doing, because it might harm the machine. The machine will crash. Okay, so we really test all those code, and then yeah, we really do all those kind of stuff. Okay, let's say for example, you accidentally we remove this code, right, then the machine will never off. Okay, it will keep the motor uh, activated, so it won't disable the motor, something like that. Then if you leave like overnight or long period of time, it might damage the motor. Okay, don't do anything over here. And same with this one. Okay, the cooling, yeah, you can change the fan speed, how much the cooling you need, but we already do the setting, so yeah, it's depend. Okay, same the temperature, we already set to 210. Yeah, so some people they like 190. Yeah, it's up to you because our is aircon room, so we use higher temperature. Then yes, then we deactivate the temperature for the bed of some of the machine. Yes. Okay. Okay, what normally you need to do the setting is, yeah, first we go like these three and these four side. Okay, first we can change the layer. Okay, so the lowest layer you can do or the finest layer you can do is 0.1. Okay, our recommended 0.2. This one will be the standard layer setting for our machine because all our machine is calibrated to 0.2. Okay, so I'll show you what's the difference. Okay, okay, let's say I change to 0.1. Okay, okay, I change to 0.1. Yeah, prepare the print. So you realize what's the difference is, yeah, the layer. Okay, the layer will be lot double. Okay, then the print time also is 8 hour 19 minutes. Then what's the difference of the part? We print more but fine. Yeah, you see this? Yeah, the layer is like 0.1 increment. Okay, so if you have those kind of curved part or you need a nice curve or this kind of thing, yeah, then you will need a higher layer. But don't forget, when you increase the layer, the time will double or the time will increase. Okay, okay, can if I change back, then I'll show you again what's the difference. Okay, I change to zero point 0.3. This is the maximum we can use for 0.4 nozzle size. Okay, yeah, you see the difference? Yeah, the step is very obvious. Yeah. But you see the layer will reduce from 180 to 60, then the time also reduce from 8 hours to 3 hours. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, this is the layer setting. So the next one will be, I change back the layer control. Yeah, the next one will be uh, top layer. Okay, this one, top layer, bottom layer, and outline. Okay, this one is depend on your part and requirement. So I will show you what happened when I change this one. So I put all to 5. Okay, so I prepare to print. Okay, now you see become 5 hours and 55 minutes. The layer is 90. Okay, because the setting point 2. Okay, so what I changed just now is top 5, bottom 5, and then the shell also 5. Okay, what you can see now is, you see the top layer. Okay, got one layer. Okay, I bring down 189. Okay, it's still 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got top layer, 5 layer of top layer, then it will be the infill. Okay, so if you look at the bottom part also, it will be the same. So the bottom, right, increase, yeah, is layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. After that it will be into. Okay, so those are the setting of the how about the thickness of a layer, how much you need the top layer, the bottom layer. And then for the shell, right, if I zoom in over here, you see, yeah, it will be 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that will be the 5 shell layer. It will be the skin of your parts. Okay, how thick your skin you want it to be. Okay, so let me show you when I change. Oh no, sorry. So let me show you when I change back. Okay, so the standard will be 3, 3, 2. Okay, 3, 3, 2. Okay, yeah. So you see the shell is 1 and 2. Okay, the top will be 1, 2. No, so 1, 2, 3, and then yeah, the inner part. Okay, the bottom will be the same. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. No, no, not 4. Yeah, 3. So it depends on your setting. Okay, okay. That's the big issue. Okay, that's the layer. So yeah, try not to mess up with the first layer setting. Okay. Yeah. So the next one will be addition. Addition will be like graph. I won't cover this. This new function, a prime pillar and horizon shape. Yeah, I will just cover this screen and graph. Just now I show you already the graph, right? But actually you can do a lot more setting for the graph. Okay. Yeah, I think I covered the graph already. Yeah. So now is the brim. So what is this brim is? It's those purple color. Yeah, you see this one? Those is the brim. So I will recommend that you all to use recommend that you use the brim for printing part. You can use it to hold your part down to the platform. Then second, you can use it as a reference before the print start. Okay, so what? So for example, for this part, right, I can use line. Okay, I can play. So you see they will print the brim first. So this is the brim. Okay, you can use that brim, right, not so fast. Okay, play. Okay, okay, you can use this brim as a reference. So your nozzle will will print this brim first. So when they print this, you can see is it nicely laid down, okay, on your actual printer, not the software. Okay, is it actually laid down nicely the material or this kind of stuff? If something wrong, let's say you cannot see anything print out on the build area, then something wrong with the machine, or the first layer is not is not working properly. Yeah. So the next function they do, right, is like they smooth the nozzle before they actually print your part. So it's like, yeah, it's like pre-print before print your part. Yeah, you see, now it's print your part. Okay, so you will have a smooth transaction. Then this one is like pre-print, then that one will be printing your part. Then the next function is holding your part to the build plate. So if you don't want it to stick to your part, it's okay also. You don't want the holding function, you just want the cleaning function, and then you just want to see is it printing nicely, cover out the build plate. you can do the setting. Okay, I will go out from here. So you can set like how many layer of the skin. So maximum normally we use like 2. Okay, then the offset, yeah, how far away the the, the brim or the skirt from the part. Now if you put 0, it will stick to the part. Then how many outline? Like this one 20, I think they will print 20 outline. Okay, or the shell or something. Okay, then okay. Okay, then the next one we'll cover is infill. So this one will be the infill. So you can change the percentage from the top here, or you can change over here, but you can just change from the so drag from here. You see, we will change the percentage also. So not just the percentage, you can change. Right? Actually, you can change the pattern. Yes. So the standard one like will be this one. And then you can change to like honeycomb. Yeah, okay. I just show you what happened. Maybe you change. I won't show you all. Okay. Yeah, you see, the infill will be honeycomb shape. Yeah. Okay. So whatever you change over here, right, it will affect your part, and then your print time, everything. Okay, the motion of the printer also will change. Then it's up to you all to decide. Yeah. But for this one, if you don't know what you're doing, you don't change the detail. Okay? Same for external pattern also, you can use other settings. Okay, then the next one will be the support. Yeah. Okay, this one will be the support. You can generate support auto. Okay, just now I show you. Okay. So although you generate right for this part, if you put it like this, okay, prepare, there's no support. So yeah, no support needed. Yeah, this part is like quite good design. So for support, right, or for part design, I would recommend that you try to prefer to your printer. Let's say the part you want to print, right, try to design it nicely for it to be print out. So try to understand how the machine works. So like the machine will lay out nozzle and material like layer by layer. So if your design were a lot of hanging, then without a nice base or something like that, then you will have problem to build your part. So I'll use this one. So but, yeah. Oh come on, there's something wrong with my mouse. Okay, yeah. Okay, I will use this design and put like this. Yeah. So like this, you see, when I prepare, they will auto generate the support. Okay. This one is auto mode, generate the support. Okay. So whenever you design, you must make sure uh, it's designed properly for 3D print. Okay. If you have no choice, then you must use the support. Okay. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to remove. Yes. Okay. The next one I'm going to show you support also. Okay, but sometimes you want to manage your support. Tony, I don't like here. I know, yeah, this site can print without support or those kind of thing. Yeah, actually, you can do that. Okay, okay. This one is like, this one is like, okay, this one is like support generation. Okay, so let me try to do so to see how. Okay, I generate this one. So okay, so for this one, let's say I don't want the support because it's too long in the way that will fail or something. I don't care if this part fail or something. Or what, you can edit whatever support you want. Okay, so like for example here, right, I don't want the support. Okay, I want to remove existing support, so I need to do all those manual work. If you like this kind of thing, you can do it manually. Okay, and put the support manually, then then yeah, you can you can have a full control for support generation. Okay, this one will take some. Yeah. So imagine if you want to put the support manually, all these particular you need to do yourself. Okay, okay, done. I remove all the support from this side. So what they do, right? They won't have support over here that where it's supposed to have to need a support like this one. Okay, yeah, like this one also. Imagine you have a support for this slot. How are you going to remove the support? The slot like maybe 0.212 mm. Yeah. Okay, okay. So try to bear in mind the design of part, then like try to think how you want to 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 build them. Okay, okay, okay. So this one also they have few function over here. You can play with it. I won't cover this one because it will taking too much time. Then most of those function you will not use it unless you have special request. Okay, okay. I think that's all for for setting. Okay, so whatever setting you have done, right? I change this one back. Okay, is there? Yeah. So all setting is done, then you will need to check. Okay, please don't skip this step. Just go through how the printer build your part, then look it properly. Uh, it will take some time. Then better than it will fail because of wrong setting. Then you never do the checking. Okay, so don't skip this part. Just check them. You can go by layer. Yeah, just check all the layer how your part is printing and this kind of stuff. Okay, then if you certified or you think the process is good, the slicing is good, then you can save to SD card. Okay, then bring the card to the printer. Okay, so in our case it will be Ender 3 printer. Okay, okay, yeah, it will be Ender 3 printer. Okay, so so that's it for slicing. So so I will cover the machine operation in I think other video. Okay, okay, thank you for participation.